A lot of psychologists have their own websites now, and on the websites they kind of list the therapies they use and the particular areas of expertise that they have, so that the types of problems that they're best suited to help with. So that can be a good start. The particular therapies can be a bit of a minefield as well, but there's lots of information about therapies on the website, on Google and various other web search engines. So that's one way of getting more information there. I'd have a conversation with the psychologist around things like how they typically approach the people they work with. The kinds of treatments, getting the psychologist to explain the treatments that are up on their website can be really useful. What, as a client or a patient going to see a psychologist, what are their expectations about the commitment from you? Some psychologists prefer to see people in groups, so is that what they're expecting? Others, I like to see people individually. Some psychologists like to set tasks outside of sessions and therapy, so is that going to be something that they should expect? Just general questions, I think, about what the person should expect by going along. Sometimes even practical things like how available the psychologist is and what appointment schedules they have. Sometimes psychologists can have clinics in the late afternoon or evening, which can be really helpful for people who are working and can't necessarily get time off work. So it's important, I think, to get really practical information, as well as finding out, just even sometimes through a phone call, if you can get to talk to the psychologist, because often you'll talk to the receptionist, but just trying to get a sense of how well you think you kind of click with them, I guess.